could lead to reduced visibility. Blizzard warning remains in effect until midnight Eastern Standard Time tonight. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 18 to 24 inches with localized 30 inches possible. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Areas affected include portions of eastern and northeastern Massachusetts and northern and southern Rhode Island. Winds from midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Standard Time Saturday night. Impacts include travel could be extremely difficult to impossible. Strong winds could cause tree damage.
What?
Considerable blowing and drifting snow along with near whiteout conditions at times. Snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour is possible at times. Here are the 7 a.m. observations for the Worcester area. It would
okay. What do you mean blizzard warning?
And when I need to show you my HH54 still getting that blizzard warning. I mean, with a storm warning. And it's not 11 a.m. I didn't get anything else. Otherwise, there's a warning. And I go for 1050 on WXL91, but then that got issued on here. What? And I thought they got issued that on my television. How cool is that?